traveling somewhere, could be anywhere. There's a coldness in the air, but I don't care. We drift deeper, and life goes on. We drift deeper into the sun.
We're back, baby. Tuesday. Money. What's poppin'? Don't go stopping. Right now, the Nasdaq, right there at yesterday's close. We're getting ready for market open up here. It's 8:53 in the morning. No rush. We're here to make money. We, just trying to get in, trying to get out, trying to make a little bit of money right here, boys. That's all we're trying to do. So here we go. Get it started with me. Get it on. Turn it up. It's time to party. Time to party. Woo. All right. Oof. Look at the BDH looking all lit right now. BDH looking lit. It's funny because the McLaren almost looks white. Almost looks white. We got a special guest here tomorrow at the BDH. A fellow, I don't know, what do we call people that are not influencers? What do we call them? Just traders? Do we just call them traders? Is that like just a... They're traders. I don't know. We got a fellow trader, YouTube subscriber, coming in tomorrow for a little Wild Wednesdays day trading live at the BDH. So looking forward to that. Always fun to get different people in here and see what everyone else is kind of looking at, what their strategy is, and where they excel and where they have issues. So we'll be doing that tomorrow for Wild Wednesdays. Make sure you tune in. Good morning. Right now, Apex is 80% off. That's right. It's back to 80%. The good old days. We didn't have no discount for a little bit, and now we got it back. Woo! Now we got it back, boys. All right. Nasdaq right now pushing back up here. We kind of took out the London kind of low, the overnight low here. We had this low, obviously, before the Asia market. So we got the London low kind of right there, 871 area. That's where we bounced at there yesterday as well. So overall, bigger picture, is the market bullish? Is it bearish? Still, time will tell. If you look at the daily chart, we're still inside of the Trump candle. This is that big candle that Trump, when he tweeted or whatever about the tariffs and all that. So still just kind of holding there. If you look at the hourly chart right now, hourly chart kind of bouncing back up. I don't know. It's just kind of setting up for a big old kind of breakout through that, maybe through that 19,000 area. We pushed to that Friday high, possibly. Or that's actually Sunday high. Sunday high, Sunday, Monday high. And then 19,400, that's the big Trump candle. The Trump candle being that resistance up there. So, you never know, man. It's just such a world that we're, the world that we're living in right now. It's just the world that we're living in. Sometimes the market's bullish, sometimes it's bearish. Right now, the market is just doing all kinds of crazy stuff. That's right. We're doing it live from the BDH here today. Getting ready, starting it up. I got to get another camera set up on the driving simulator. So that way, maybe, maybe during the live streams, I can just jump on the driving simulator, do a few laps. Do a few laps real quick, That could be fun. That could be fun. Maybe. What's the plan for the TRX? Oh, you already know. You already know what's the plan, Daniel. Come on. 37s, new wheels, new bumpers. 37s, tune it, exhaust, pulley, supercharger. Boom, 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 baby. 900 horsepower. That's what it be. So, we'll see how she goes. Right now, getting ready for market to open up here. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. There's my new truck. I still have the G-Wagon, by the way. But I bought a blue. I'm gonna color match all of this black stuff. Color match everything. And then I'm gonna do the PPF, the flat on the blue. I don't know. What's cooler, the G-Wagon or the TRX? I will say, the TRX is pretty fun to drive. That supercharger, the wee, it's pretty sick. I don't think, have I ever had a supercharged? Well, I guess. It's funny because the Escalade was supercharged, but you don't really hear the whine on the Escalade, so kind of interesting. It's a Dodge. I know. Well, hey, haters gonna hate. I got a Dodge. I got a G-Wagon. I got a $340,000 G-Wagon. I got a $400,000 McLaren. I got it all, baby. What are they gonna say? What are they gonna say? Don't worry, I still have the G-Wagon. I have the G-Wagon and the TRX. I needed a truck. I'm gonna be moving. This month. Moving into a new house. I got to move stuff around. It makes it a little easier, having a truck bed. My daddy used to always say, boy, you can't make no money with no car. You need a truck. If you buy a truck, you can always make money. And hey, he has a point. He has a point. With the truck, you can always make money. There's always some kind of opportunity. Picking up garbage, delivering stuff, dropping off stuff, buying stuff, moving stuff. Imagine spending $50K plus on a car because you're moving. Well, I also got to pull my jet ski, bro. Okay? I need to pull my jet ski. The G-Wagon doesn't have a fucking hitch on it. And I don't want to put a hitch on it. It's too nice to have a hitch. So that was my only option was either I put a hitch on the 765 or I put it on the G-Wagon. So I think I pretty much just bought a hitch. New house vlog? Oh, I'm sure. Did you guys check out the video from the weekend? I posted up a little vlog from the weekend. It's always fun. I'm telling you, who is doing it like me? Nobody. Who's living like I am? Nobody. People, come on. They don't do it like I do. They can't do it like Daddy does it. Go show, hey, if you're here early, we still got plenty of time until the market opens. Go leave some love. Check out the new video. All right, check out the new video. Look at this. Check out my pet fish. I got a pet fish. I got a pet fish here. Look at him. Not that one. Oh, look at my little snook. This fish, he'll come right up to you and just let you pet him. Look at him. Look at him. That's a big old snook. Just hanging out. Hey, little buddy. Oh, and then he scared me. Ah! All right. No, I caught him. Here he comes. Look at him. Look at him. He's just waiting to get fed. The guy, that fish is at my dock every day, just waiting to get fed. Look at him. Oh, there he goes. Happy, happy little fishy, fishy. And that's my boat. We went to the car show. They're Supercar Saturdays. If you guys never checked it out, the kids be loving the cars. This kid was like, "Hey, are you the guy with the GT3 RS and the STO?" I said, "That's me, baby. Only prop firms. You know how we roll. You know how we roll." What's crazy is the amount of people that go to this car show. I mean, there's like 1,000 people. There's Dodgy, little DayTrader. And then I think Jade Cap right there. Jade Cap was there as well. He's about to get a $3 million payout with Apex. This kid wanted to know tips about trading. I'm like, bro, I just watch my YouTube. And then this guy right here, one of my fellow YouTube subscribers, he started trading back May 11th, right? Watching the YouTube channel, and he's making money. He's getting a payout with Apex. Check this out. He even says it himself.
This week I've done probably what I do. I work in about a month. Yeah. A week. That's epic. This guy getting payouts. When did you start trading? May 11th, I opened up my first 2024. Account. Getting them Apex payouts. Let's go, baby. Hey, man. Hey, man. Look at this sick car. Someone told me how to wrap it. So I got it.
Well, yeah, that was that's the weekend. And then little e-foil session. This is my backyard, basically. Name one other YouTuber. Name another YouTuber who can e-foil like I can. I am the fucking most well-rounded day trader in the world. I can catch fish. I can feed fish. I can ride the e-foil. I can do it all. Name one thing that I can't do. Nothing. Nothing. This is such a fun way to get around South Florida here. It's like you're flying.
This is how we do it. I don't know if I'm going to make it home. 50%. Can we make it?
And then I fell right before I got to the dock. Classic. And then Sunday, we went fishing. Had a little sailfish right off the bat. Look at this thing. Ooh, little sailfish jumping. The sun wasn't even up yet. Sunrise sailfish, baby. Sunrise sailfish.
Baits have been in the water for 2 minutes. One sailfish. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Sailfish.
And then sailfish
Nick's up here playing around.
right there at the end of the day. Oh, this is a fun story. I talked about how my first boat, the first boat that I ever bought, if you guys watch my YouTube channel, it's actually on my YouTube. If you go on my YouTube, you can see, like, literally the first boat. Bought a boat. Like, how crazy is, like, talk about, guys, talk about a fucking evolution, right? An evolution of somebody. You guys are seeing this live on YouTube, like, every day. But this is the first boat that I bought. This is the first fucking boat that I bought. Look at this thing. $20,000 for this fucking thing. Baby!
It's so windy out right now. I'm gonna get too in-depth with this. But this is the new boat, the new SSS.
Look at that. Talk about it. Talk about the evolution, man. 6 years ago.
Whatever you want to call it.
Look at that. Look at that little baby boat. Look at that. That's fucking sick. And the best part is, this, like I said, this is a $20,000 boat. I bought this boat. This was all the money that I had back in the day. I bought this boat, the trailer. I had my truck at the time. And my girlfriend and everybody was like, man, you're such an idiot. Why would you buy this boat? You know, you're wasting your money. And the funny part is now I've got I'm building a $1.5 million boat. What a wild fucking evolution, man. We have seen it all. New boats, new world. We're living. Who remembers this? My old Audi. God, look at my hair 8 years ago. What? I was so lame. God, I was a baby back then. Look at my hair. I had hair back then. I had a lot of hair back then. Oh, man. Honestly, though, what a wild fucking evolution. 8 years ago, I had a Audi A7. I thought I was doing something. I was proud of myself, right? I went out and bought a $60,000 car. I think it was like 60 at the time when I bought that. And now I've got a $400,000 car. I've got a fucking warehouse full of cars. I got a $340,000 G-Wagon. I got the fucking 765. I got the Lambo. I got the GT500. Fucking evolution, man. What a fucking evolution. We are living. We are dreaming big, baby. Don't let anybody ever tell you can't do something. All right? Don't ever let anybody fucking tell you that you can't do something, because I promise you, you can. If you really want it hard, bad enough, long enough, hard enough, you'll get it. And look at this. I had some haters yesterday talking shit about my EMA video. Guys, I post videos on YouTube as a way for other people to see, like, hey, maybe this is something to look at. When I make a video talking about whatever I'm doing or whatever strategy, like, by no means am I saying that it's the end-all, be-all strategy. But, hey, it's something to think about, right? Like, I don't know. Like, look at it. Check it out. If it doesn't work, who cares? But the amount of hate and the amount of people that get upset because they're like, what a fucking joke. What a scam. And it's like, but like, what does that do for you? Like, what does it do for you to come at me all negatively and like be like, just put me down? What does that? It does nothing for you. It's not going to make you more profitable. It's not going to make you more money. So it's just like, I make a video, I put it on the YouTube, and then everyone gets all butthurt because they're like, what a stupid strategy. And then look what just happened, right? The EMA crossed, we pulled back, had a little bull flag, and then look, that's 60 points. I don't get it. I literally don't fucking get it. I swear to God, it blows my mind how people can sit here and talk so much shit, but they're not even profitable themselves. Again, this is not an end-all, be-all strategy. It's just something to look at, something to think about, right? Does it work? I don't fucking know. But at the end of the day, if it works, it doesn't, like, who really cares? If I make money, you make money, who really cares how you do it? All I care about is making money. And right there, you can see, all right? So the EMA crosses right here this morning, 18,992. So what does that make me start to look for? Look for short opportunities. What did we get? We had a beautiful short opportunity, right? The EMAs finally get spaced out right here. Here's a little bear flag. Boom, another bear flag. Come on. Come on, chat. Just like work with me, not against me, man. Help me, help you. That's all. I just need some help. Just give me a little bit of help, man. That's all. I'm not asking for much. I'm not asking for a lot. Just asking for a little bit of help, chat. That's all. Help me help you, That's all. All right, Nasdaq, push back up there. We're above yesterday's close, right? Yesterday's close there at the 936s. Will we continue to push up there? That pivot point at the 976s. All right. I like it. Haters gonna hate, players gonna play. Let's just fucking make money. Caesar, gonna build me an AI support. I don't think I need AI support. Do I? I don't think so. Maybe. All right, for the EMAs, I made a whole video. That's the best part, is I'll make a video, people won't watch it, and then they'll come to the live stream and be like, what's the EMA? 21 EMA, and then the 9 EMA. Again, this is not end-all, be-all. Indicators are lagging. They are not telling you where the market's going to go. This is just something that you can apply or don't. Honestly, I'm at a point where, hey, if you don't like it, then just don't trade it. It's amazing how many people will spend, all day long talking shit and being all fucking mad because Patrick Wieland made a video with the EMA. Which one's stronger, the VWAP or the EMA? I think the VWAP. The VWAP is volume weighted, so it's going to always be a little bit more consistent. The EMAs are not volume weighted. Patrick, why did this strategy just come out of nowhere? It didn't. Go on my Guys, I swear to God. Like, these why does it matter if it came out of nowhere? Number one, it did not. This is the original strategy that I traded fucking 2-3 years ago. This is not by any, oh my God. It's crazy. It's literally crazy. Anybody that's been watching this YouTube channel knows exactly the fucking idea of that I've been trading these moving averages. It's not fucking, this is not a new strategy. I just made a video about it to talk about it because everybody was asking me here on the YouTube. That's all. That's all, you know? I just trying to make a little video, you know? Try to make a little video, show everybody what's going on, man. Can you please put the watermark? Yes, the watermark. There you go. 2-minute chart. And still looking very like she wants it. But yes, this is not a new strategy by any means. And like I said before, I have multiple charts pulled up. I've got this chart pulled. I've got literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 charts pulled up, all with kind of like different setups, different indicators, just based on my strategy, right? It's just, I think people get really confused. They think that I'm only looking at one chart. I'm looking at multiple charts. Patrick, I know you're a supercar guy. Are you a fan of new Chevrolets? Not really. The Corvette, I mean, no, not really. Maybe, I don't know. I've never driven the new one, so maybe I have to drive it. But I was a hater on the Mustang for a long time too, so I guess, you know, hey. Sometimes you hate something, but then you love it. That's the same thing. People watch me on YouTube and then they hate me and then they love me. Sour, then sweet. Sweet, then sour. We got plenty of time here till market opens up. Just sitting back, waiting, watching, looking for opportunities, trying to make a little bit of money. Trying to make a little bit of money. Trying to make a little bit of money. Trying to make a little bit. Little bit. Ooh, it's a little bit. All right. I feel like since we already took out this 18,880 area, that the market wants to kind of push up here through the 19,000s. Right? I mean, right. Short the open. Maybe. Oh, and by the way, look. Here's a video from 2 years ago. And guess what I had on the chart? Look at that. Would you look at that? 2 years ago, I had the 21 EMA and the 9 EMA on there. Oh my God, Patrick, why did you come up with a new strategy? Patrick, why are you flip-flopping? Bitch, I already done everything you already done. I've been trading for 8 years now, boy. Every little fucking strategy that you've ever thought that you were going to fucking do, I've already done it. I've already tried it. You know? I've done it. I already been there. Everything. I'm like your fucking grandpa at this point. 8 years in the trading is pretty much makes me a senior citizen. What's crazy is the yesterday, man. I definitely had. I did take a trade yesterday in my Tradeify live account for over 100 points. But this setup yesterday, oh Lord, look at how beautifully it did work out. The 15-minute opening range breakdown was very eventful after it did it yesterday. You just needed to have that patience, right? We had the EMA cross as well. Look at that. Just straight down. It tested here, 993. That's a 200-point move down. 200-point move down after breaking the opening range. But that was at almost 1130. So patience, my friends. You just got to be patient. The secret to trading is basically avoiding this. Being able to avoid the chop and then be able to make the money on that. Right? That's what it's all about right there. You just want to trade this into this. And that way, you're making the big money. Right? And that's your target. Bam. That's avoid the chop, trade this long. I mean the long move. That's pretty much what we're looking for. So we're gonna look for the same setup again today, and we'll be patient. Just kind of wait for it to form. You know, you just gotta really wait for that move to happen there, and then it'll be good to go. So I think another thing that you can do as well, I've been messing around with, just to kind of really force yourself to being patient, is just put lines on the fucking chart, the trend lines. I know, it seems too simple, but like put the lines on the chart, look at the higher time frames, see how we're, are we just kind of holding that trend line there, and then wait for a good closure below that trend line. Right? Good closure there. All right, then we start like looking for opportunities. Avoid the balls, trade this long. That's Patrick Wieland's strategy right there, baby. #1 day trader on YouTube only has one simple strategy. That easy. That easy, baby. People think trading's hard, but really it's wait. Something, yeah, never mind. I'm getting ready here. All right, let's get some music going. All right, the goal today, like always, patience, patience, patience. Yesterday was a really good reminder for me to just be patient. Don't let the chat fucking, trick me into going into a trade. Paul, does it not work or something? Why not use it for 2 years? Listen, Paul, this is all I want you to do. I want you to go fuck yourself, all right? Listen, Paul, that's all I want. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I want you just to go ahead and just fuck yourself. Just punch yourself right in the fucking face for asking the stupidest fucking question. Does it not work? I don't fucking know. Nothing really works at the end of the day. It's all a fugazi. A fugazi. God, Patrick. Does it not work? Does it, Patrick? God. I just want to have one good day. Just one good day, man. Just one good day where nobody says anything fucking stupid in the chat and we all just have a nice, good, green day. That's all I want, man. That's all I want. It's just amazing. It's just amazing that I have the power, right? I said this before. It's amazing that I have the power that so many men around the world wake up in the morning and the first thing they think about is Patrick Wieland. And then the first thing they want to do is come here to this live stream and talk shit. Think about that. That's fucking amazing, right? That, damn. I bet that, if they could, they'd want to fucking kiss my butthole. They'd be like, oh, that'd be fun. I want to kiss that dude's butt. Because that's how obsessed they are. They're fucking obsessed. The last thing that I think about when I wake up in the morning is another man. But I get it, I get that there's all these people out there that just their whole entire life exists to basically come here and try to get something going in the chat. You got to love it, It's quality. Very quality entertainment. It's quality entertainment. All right, we got that pivot point right there. 18,976 is getting ready for a market open here. 9 minutes. 9 minutes. 9 minutes. That's not the right chart. Getting ready. We gotta do a little jumper jacks. Woo! Now we're ready. Now we're ready. We're fired up, baby. Zen trading suggests being immune to emotional responses to the thoughts and statements of others. Yeah, well. Do I look like I got a lot of Zen in my life? Not a lot of fucking Zen going on here. Not a lot of fucking Zen happening around this parts. $4, mute the jackrabbits. Let's go. Hey, I guarantee one thing. I'll guarantee one thing, boys. I will guarantee one thing. There ain't one hater on this fucking planet, not one, that had a weekend like I just had. I guarantee it. I fucking guarantee it. $1 million. We'll put it on the board right now. There ain't one hater on this motherfucking planet that had a weekend like I just had. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. And that right there, my friends, that is the ultimate power. Woo-wee. All right, all right. Look at your Nasdaq 15-minute chart. I mean, we held that kind of low. This is kind of where we turned yesterday off that low down there. We just couldn't get, we filled the gap, the Sunday night gap, and then ripped up, pulled back again, kind of held that low. So pretty much like I'd say 18,800 key level here for the bulls today. You got 1, 2, 3 kind of triple bottoms set up here so far. We had the London low that we took out already as well. So now we have this high, and I think that's where the market wants to head to next, 19,050 area. And then after that, you've got pretty much what? The Sunday night or Monday high kind of right there. That Trump candle, baby. Trump candle. We have not taken that high out of that Trump candle yet. This is when Trump talked about the big move there. But also, kind of look at it like this. I mean, we're kind of, in theory, sort of holding this. Well, I don't fucking know, but you know, something like that. One of the, whatever, however you want to draw it, just fucking put a line on it. We're holding that line for now. We're putting in higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. And we'll see, are the bulls going to step up here today? It's time, baby. It's time. We got about 6 minutes here till market open. 6 minutes. We're holding the line. We are, right now, we are at yesterday's close as well. That 9:30 area being yesterday's close. Right now, Apex, 80% off, by the way. 80% off at Apex. If you haven't checked out the Only Prop Firms website, we got some new stuff coming this week, actually. New stuff. We've got the new prop firm comparison. You can go on there and type in like the 50K account, and you can see who's got the cheapest deal right now. This is, I don't think that's right. Is that right? I think that's wrong. 80% off? Oh, it is right. Even, look at that. Funded Futures Network, still the cheapest, $75. Tradeify, 50K growth, still the cheapest as well. So check it out, onlyprofitfirms.com. You can go over there, check out the economic calendar every morning. I like to always look and see what's going on news-wise. Today, we got no big news. We got some bill auctions, but nothing big happening today. So we're getting ready for a market open here. And right now, we're right below that pivot point, 974 pivot point. If we can get above that 19,000 area at open, I think, well, 19,040 just seems real easy. And then after that, you've got kind of up into this level, that 9780 area there. Just being patient, waiting, watching, getting ready, taking the easy moves. Are you gonna try the orb today? Oh, we're gonna do it. We're not gonna try it. We're gonna do it. That's right. We're gonna do it today. So far, look at that, just straight up here. Oh my good lord. Oh my good lord, chat. Straight up move into open, right? To tap into that pivot point for now. Oh, wow. Market making moves before it even opens here. You gotta love that. You gotta love that. Nvidia popping straight up. Who's talking? What's happening, chat? Canada pausing tariffs. Oh God. Canada, oh Canada. Well, right now we got this pivot point here, 975 pivot point. Let's see how she goes. Today, it's time to party. As we push into open here, Nasdaq up there, trying to get above that 19,000 area right now. We got 30 seconds. Being patient. Boo. Oh. Count it down with me. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow up the like button, people. Blow up that like button. Let's make some money. Here we go. Market is open. Straight up, straight down. She's all around right now. Right there at that pivot point there. At the 970s for now. Kind of holding on to that pivot. Bounce right off that EMA again. Right there at the pivot point. 19,000 to the upside there right now, but it's kind of holding up here at the 80s for now. Should try to take out that 90 area here. Ooh, right there. Just holding above the pivot point for now. There at the 80s. We got like 9 19,020s or so to the upside there. There's that breakout through the 19,000s. Woo! Straight up. Bounced off the EMA there at open, off the pivot point. Now up there at the 19,000s. Will this be the trap? We've got yesterday's close there at the 934s as well. That London high 36 area. Bulls are stepping in there through the 19,000s again. She wants it all the way up there. Like I said, that overnight high up there at the 40s. Everybody in the chat right now is saying short, short, short. Relax, people. Don't go shorting this fucking move straight up here. No reason to. What are y'all thinking? Everybody needs to relax. I don't know why everyone thinks about shorting here. I've literally seen 10 people in the chat saying short, short, short. Why would you short? It's just going straight up. Relax. The problem is, like, even if you think this is a pump and then a dump, like, what if it goes to the 80s? What do you do then? You know? What would you do? What do you do if it goes to the 80s? If you're short here at the 19,000s, like, where's your risk on this thing? I think your risk, you could be risking all the way to the 80s or higher. And look, it's still going. Up there to the 40s now. Come on. All right, we took out the overnight high here. Overnight high has been taken out. This is that London high. We just talked about this earlier. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that I told you so, but, well, there it is. The overnight high getting taken out. Now it's anybody's guess. Now what happens after this? Let's see. Start pulling back here now. Now that it's squeezed out, everybody, let's see what happens. Your volume is so quiet. Why? Shouldn't be. Am I quiet? Is my volume quiet? Hello, hello? Mic check, mic check. I think it's normal. Music is low. Ugh. Well, the problem is if I turn the music too loud, then it just gets too loud in here. So. All right, I was able to take a little long there at open with my take profit account, just locking in. We're up $1,000 with 5 live funded take profit accounts. That's $5,000, $1,000 in each account. I'm probably going to just close out of these accounts and be done for the day and let that ride. So I'm going to close that out and then focus on my Apex and Tradeify accounts now. All right, pulling back here into that pivot point again, looking at the 5-minute chart. Hey, and guess what, by the way? Guess what? What happened earlier? That 9 EMA and the 21 EMA crossed. What's that mean? What's that mean? Patrick! The bulls are still kind of just like holding here at that pivot point. This wick here at the 20s to get through there. You got wiki. 15-minute candle. We took out the overnight high now. So now let's see. We took out the London low. We took out the overnight, or we took out the London high and the London low so far. Showing some strength. Get through that 20 area. 19,020s to get through. Will we get a big squeeze out of here? Big squeeze out of the 20s here, possible. Getting real tight there, real tight. She wants to go. Break that 20 area. Take me higher, she said. Oh, buddy, she's going. Need momentum here. The ES, the Nasdaq, everything getting very tight. Break through that 30, go to the 40, 50s possible. Straight through there now. Can you take... Oh, buddy. Round of applause, chat. Round of applause. He's back. The man, the myth, the legend. Give me 20 points. Give me 20 points. 20 points on it. 20 points on it. Look at it. She's still going higher. God damn it. I sold too early. Sold too early. Steve, what the fuck are you talking about shorts? Question mark. Steve, why in the fuck are you typing shorts? Question mark in the chat. What a waste of fucking air. Waste of breath. Don't ever do that again, Steve. Through the 20s now, up there to the 60s. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Come on, chat. Come on. Look at that. What a beautiful move. What a beautiful move. I like it. I like it a lot. Up there into the 60s now. What happens next? We got the 15-minute range come up in 5 minutes. Come on, look at that thing. You're going to tell me that wasn't just perfect? Break through that 20 area there on the 2-minute chart. Come on. Come on, we held the pivot point. We're holding the 9 EMA. Come on, chat. Come on, chat. Come on. Are you, come on. I mean, why? How? Why? How? How? Why? All right. Now we just sit back. We're patient, right? We're up $7,000 on the day. No rush. I got nowhere to be. Nothing to do. All I'm focused on is making money. Not in a rush. I'm not trying to like put on a million trades per hour or anything like that. Just sitting back, waiting and watching here. How many lots are you trading? Depends. So in my take profit trader accounts, I just trade 5. So one contract per account. So 5 accounts, 1 contract. Spread the risk out a little bit better. And let's see what we got here. LuxAlgo, the opening range breakout setup. We've got what, 70 to about 100-point range. Not a terrible range. Not like 300 points like the other few days that we've had it going on, but I mean the bulls are still percolating here. They are not slowing down just yet. Where can we go from here? I mean, we said that 80 level to the upside there, huh? Could go up there to the 80s next. 85, 90s, possibly. Trying to push up there through the 80s here. That 90, this is what they're going for right here, this 93 area. That's what they want. That's what they want. That 93's, that high from yesterday there. That's what they want, chat. They're to the 85s now. God, this, hey, I'm liking this. I'm liking it right now. I'm liking this where I'm at mentally. I don't know why, but I'm just feeling good about it. We're having a good day right now, chat. We're back. We're getting back to it. Those small profits add up, all right? Those small profits, they add up. You know? Those small profits, they add up, chat. All right, I took that little bull flag set up here, 65s, up there to 85s. Give me my 20 points, baby. 20 points is all daddy needs. 20 accounts. $390. Do the math on it, chat. He's back. This is the energy that I want. This is what I want right here. I want to feel it. I say hallelujah. 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 All right, that's like $8,000. So we're doing pretty good. We're doing all right here. Also, in my Tradeify accounts, we're up $2,000 in this account right here. We got this account right here waiting to get a trade as well. So right now we're hitting good. We're hitting good, chat. We are hitting good here. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Good energies, baby. Good energies keep the good money flowing. If you want money from the universe, you got to put out that good energy. And that way it just rains. It just rains down. It just rains down. It just rains down on me. Just rain it down. I think the camera froze. Awkward. It just rains down on me. That's right, Apex right now, 80% off, by the way. Look at this thing. Hey, chat. Chat, serious question. Serious questions, chat. Serious question. Serious question, chat. Did I or did I not? Did we talk about it before the market opened? Taking out these highs and then pushing up there to that 90 level? What was the high on that candle right there? 86s? I mean, I'm 4 points away from it. That's 4 points away. I'll take it. I will take it. All right, all right. Oh, man, I just might want to just walk away now. I just get up and walk away. Fuck this shit. Go ride the jet ski around, you know? It's a new strategy, baby. We can't lose. Just kidding. Are we going to bull flag out of the opening range high here? Or are we just going to fucking go straight up and break out here? Is that what's going to happen? We got the opening range high, 85s. Good Lord. Are we just going to go? Are we just going to do it? Is it just going to go? Why does it look like it just wants to go straight through this high right now? Is that just a feeling? Am I feeling something, chat? Or is that just, I don't know, is that all the energy drinks I've been drinking? I've been drinking energy drinks here. All right, we got the 15-minute closure. After that, you got like 120. I mean, all the way up there to the 144s for that kind of breakout there. Need some music here. Need some music on it, chat. It just wants to go. Up there to the 75s again. 15-minute range, the high is 85s there. 85 highs. Do, do. Holding on right there for now. Get through that 80 level. See if it goes straight to the hundreds next. Here it comes. Oh, Lord. She's a breaking. She's a going. Through the highs now. Trying to push up. How high can she go? Go right through that 90 area, up there into that 120, 140 area there. Let's do it right here, right now. This is that high, that push. This is the high from Friday, the big candle right there. And then after that, I mean, fuck. 250s to the upside if the bulls keep pushing. We're about to do it. Oh! Oh! 19,100s coming up. Coming up! Coming up! If you guys haven't already hit that like button, we're blowing it up today. Making so much fucking money right now, chat. God, where are the shorts at? Where are the shorts at now, chat? Where did they go? Why did they leave us? Where did they go, chat? Bow, bow. Bow, 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 bow. Get a little micro pullback here. Look at the 1 minute chart. This 1 minute chart, I don't know why it gives us like a gap there. Why is the 1 minute chart not show? There's like a gap in this candle here. Pull back, tap that 90 EMA again on the 1 minute chart, kind of like back into the 60s. The middle of that 15-minute range is 27s. Right now, bulls trying to hold up there at the 80s. Little pullback. Just need a little bit more pullback, though. Ideally. Volume gap. I don't... so weird how there's like that little gap on the 1 minute chart. Nasdaq going, trying to get through the hundreds already. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Look at that. Breaking out. Opening range high. Breakout here. That 140 area to the upside there. Kind of has my attention. Has my attention. Woof. Come on. Are you? Hey, you gotta love it. You gotta fucking love it, man. You gotta fucking love it. You gotta love the fact. You gotta love the fact here. This is what I want to, I just want to point this out, chat. I want to point this out. Right? I had so many people talking shit yesterday. When I made that, I deleted like 40 fucking comments, by the way. But so many people yesterday talking shit about the EMA cross. What happened this morning? The EMA crossed at 8:44. And look at that. Ever since, we have just been riding the fucking EMA higher. Is it a fucking coincidence? I don't fucking know. But all I know is right now, I'm rich. Real fucking rich, chat. Maybe not real rich, but I'm making some money, all right? And that's all that matters. I am making some money. EMA cross is always good in hindsight, never in real time. Oh, God. Hey, cross cap, how much money do you make? Cross cap, how long you been trading for? Serious question. How long? How long? I'm just wondering, because you're very, like, you typed in all caps. So I just want to know. I just want to know. You know, you're so, like, you're just so, you know, so confident in shooting down this idea, right? You know, it's just, but why? What, you know, what do you gain? You know? Again, like I said earlier, guys, this is not the end-all, be-all strategy. But what this does is if I'm looking at the EMAs, I'm looking at this setup, what does it do, right? If anybody has half of a brain, I bet they can answer this. It keeps me from shorting, right? It keeps me looking for longs. It keeps me looking for opportunities to get long. Whereas if I see, okay, hey, the EMA crossed this morning. We're still holding the EMA. The EMAs look really nice, right? They're really nice. What am I doing? I'm looking to get long. I'm not looking for pullbacks. I mean, I'm not looking for sell-offs. I'm not looking for shorts. I am looking for one thing and one thing only, and that's longs. Now, I know people out there are going to be like, but Patrick, that's a terrible way of trading. I get it. That might be for you. That's totally fine. But I saw plenty of people in the chat today talking about shorting, right? Plenty of people in the chat said to short for the first 30 minutes of the market open here. And the market has only gone higher. So all of those people, they could probably, you know, save themselves. They can save themselves a lot of heartache and a lot of money just by simply being like, oh shit, the EMAs are still bullish. So no reason for me to get short, right? That's all. That's all it is. It's not a entry. It's not a signal. It is simply just to be like, oh, fuck. Hey, Patrick, don't short at open, right? Don't fucking get short at open because guess what? The EMAs are still looking very bullish here. Now, does that mean that the market can't drop from 19,120 back down to 19,000? No, yes. It don't mean shit, right? That EMA don't mean shit at the end of the day. Yes, it 100% could drop from 19,120 back to 19,000s. 100% that could happen. But at least in my head, when I'm trading, I'm not looking for that, right? I'm looking for pullbacks into the EMA to then take a long. That's all it is. So everybody out there who freaks the fuck out about strategies and, Patrick, like, just relax, right? Just let me do me, all right? Just let me do me. Why can't I just do me? That's what I don't get. Is why can't people just be happy, right? Why can't you just be fucking happy that I'm making money? Who cares how I do it? You know? Well, who cares? It's fucking mind-blowing. People be so, fucking Patrick, man, fucking EMA, fucking you can't trade with an EMA strategy. Like, just let me live. God, did it work? Did it work today? Did I make money? Yes. Will it work tomorrow? I don't fucking know. I really don't. It might not ever work ever again. This might be the only time in the history of trading that the EMA cross works, right? It might be. It might be the only fucking time ever. All right? But right now, all I know is it worked. It worked. And I love it. And I'm happy. And I'm green. And I'm okay. And I'm fine, right? Like, it's okay. Hate me, love me, I don't give a fuck. Guess what? I'm green. Look, I'm green. Green. $3,000 in my Tradeify live accounts. Those are live funded accounts. These are not, I don't copy trade these either. I trade these one at a time. And then Apex, 20 accounts, one trade, I'm done. That's all I need. $300 a day keeps the fucking doctor away. Keeps it all away. Keeps you happy. And then look, and then in my take profit trader accounts, $1,000 across the board. These are brand new funded accounts. Guess what? I know, number one, how do I blow up accounts? I get greedy. What do? I oversize. I get chopped up. So what am I trying to do? Guys, when people watch this live stream, I think they forget something, right? They forget that this is real, right? Like, I'm trading for real. Like, I'm doing it real time. I'm not just sitting here going, guys, look, the market's going higher. Wow. It's going higher, right? I'm going to make mistakes. I'm going to blow up accounts. I'm going to have, issues. I'm going to struggle. I'm going to have red days. That is trading. That is real trading. I don't care what your fucking guru on Twitter says about how they never blow up and they never have red days. They're full of fucking shit, right? I've been doing this long enough to know that everybody has red days. Everyone's going to get into trades that they lose on. And that's the thing. As a trader, our biggest focus is, number one, how can we create a rule set? How can we create a strategy that is going to, number one, work for our brain, right? Everyone's brain is a little wired differently. Everyone's a little different. Some people don't like buying breakouts, which is fine. That's fine, right? Like, if your strategy doesn't fit, like you don't like buying breakouts, that you're more of like you wait for a pullback type of thing, that's fine. You have to do what works for you. Me personally, I've got too much fucking ADD, right? I can't buy pullbacks because I just can't do it. I know that, right? I learned that. I also learned that, like, hey, trying to hold for a 100-point move on every fucking trade probably isn't the best idea either, right? It's just not realistic. It's much more realistic to get 20 points every day. Get 20 points every day, lock it in, and then walk away. What do I care? If the market goes up 5,000 points after this, who cares? I'm green. I can walk away right now, and I had made more money than every fucking buddy in the chat who's talking. It's just mind-blowing. The negativity, the toxicity, the people, like, this is real. Like, you're watching a real person on the internet who is day trading live every morning, right? I'm going to have good days. I'm going to have bad days. I'm going to make adjustments. I'm going to do things differently. I'm going to try other things as we go. There is no end-all be-all strategy. There is no end-all be-all indicator. What works for you might not work for anybody else. Does that mean that you're an idiot? Does that mean that you suck? No, if you're making money, who the fuck cares? Make the fucking money, people. Stop worrying about the fucking strategy. Stop worrying about the rules. Start focusing on what's going to work for you. God. Just mind-blowing. Like, it's hard. It's very hard to not focus on the negativity. I get it. I shouldn't, right? I just shouldn't. I shouldn't focus on it. I shouldn't care what anyone says on the internet. But after you've spent 8 years of your life building up this whole brand, this whole thing, it just sucks. It just sucks that some little fucking dickhead can just come along and just comment and be like, hey, you fucking suck. And you're like, it like sucks. because that little bitch would never say it to my face. I went to a car show this weekend, right? I was there. There was 1,000 people there. And not one person came up to me and was like, you fucking suck. Not one. But guess what did happen? I don't know. Hundreds of people came up to me going, Patrick Wieland, BDH, BDH. Taking pictures with me. Fucking, people, all kinds of people. Husbands, wives. People coming up to me and being like, you're a fucking legend. I had a guy this weekend. He said he started trading last year. He's been watching my live streams. He just got a fucking $6,000 payout with Apex. I'm like, holy fuck. It took me 8 years, 6 years to get a fucking payout with Apex. It's epic. It's epic to see that there are people out there, real fucking people that watch this live stream every morning and they make money. Even the days where I'm red, people still make money. Like, that's fucking epic. Right? Like, that's fucking epic. It's free, by the way. This is all fucking free. I put all this money into the BDH. I built out the whole fucking BDH for free. For free. I don't charge people to watch this live stream. I don't have a fucking Discord. I do it for free. I spent $300,000 fucking dollars on this fucking place. I bring traders in that I had a guy at the car show. He's like, Patrick, you should charge traders to come to the BDH. I'm like, why would I charge them? He's like, well, like what you're doing is, you're helping them for free. I'm like, yeah, but like, these are people that support me. They're people that watch my live stream. Like, how cool is it that I can bring a YouTube subscriber to the BDH, sit down with them and trade with them and then live stream? Like, that's fucking, to me, that's fucking sick. I think it's fucking sick. And it's amazing the people out there that are going to hate on it. It's like, hey, like we brought in Danko. Danko's a 24-year-old kid, and everyone's like talking shit about him. But it's like, dude, this guy, this is his first time on a fucking YouTube with 5,000 people watching, right? Like, he came to the BDH. He was so excited, so stoked, to come to the BDH to trade with Patrick Wieland. Like, how fucking cool is that? Right? And then the chat's got to be fucking dickheads. Like, this guy sucks. This guy fucking sucks. Danko's he's not trying to be a fucking influencer. He's not a fucking YouTuber. He's one of you guys. Right? He's one of you fucking guys. Like, that's amazing. What a fucking mind-blowing thing that the chat is going to talk shit, and then tomorrow I've got a guest here that's coming in tomorrow, another YouTube subscriber. And honestly, I'm afraid. I'm bummed out because I'm like, damn, man, it sucks because like the chat is going to be fucking dickheads. Like, the chat's going to talk shit about this poor guy. And this guy's going out of his way to come here and trade at the BDH with us. Right? Come on, man. It's just not right. Like, show a little bit of love, Everyone's going through some shit, Like, everybody's going through some shit. And it's fun, sometimes here and there to talk shit and, little back and forth. But, like, every day, it's just the same people. I got this one guy. He'll send me an email every day. He literally sends me a fucking, he'll send me an email every literally fucking day just saying something insane. Like yesterday, this is what he emailed me. Look at this. This is what he emailed me yesterday. He said, you're an ugly fuck and not smart. I love when you lose our ass. You know what? That's his email. That's all he sends. He just sends me an email like that. Is that amazing? That's amazing, right? Like, that's, that's all, like, it's just amazing. But really, chat, like, I beg you guys, I love, people are like, put it on members only. I like the members only, but it's fun to have everybody in the chat talking. And I'm not going to say like everyone's got to pay $5 to talk, but it's nice to have everybody kind of to talk in back and forth, sharing ideas, sharing wins, sharing losses. It's fun, but like, let's try to be a little bit more, just a little bit more fucking, if you wouldn't say it in real life, don't say it on the internet. That's a good way to say it. If you wouldn't call me a fat bitch to my face, maybe don't say it on Twitter. Don't say it on YouTube. But I mean, hey, if you're going to say it in real life, then go for it. Then that's fine. But like, again, think before you type, think about it, We need more support, especially tomorrow. I'm begging you guys, tomorrow, good vibes tomorrow. Even if the person who's coming into stream tomorrow with me, even if he has no idea how to trade, which he does, by the way, but even if he doesn't, like, you know what I mean? Like, don't Don't be mean to the guy. Like, be happy. Be happy that we have someone else to, like, come in here and do this. That's all. You know? Just want you guys, just want everyone to I want to try to have some type of, like, you know, I want good vibes going forward. That's all. Good vibes. Can we have some good vibes going forward? Right? Look, I'll make a promise with you. I won't charge for this live stream. I won't fucking do anything stupid. And we can all be friends. That's all. You know? Nasdaq still just kind of holding here. Look at that. 9 EMA. I'm like thinking about putting a long on here. I don't know. Do we go higher? Is this about to break to the upside again? 5-minute chart. Whew. This little double top thing kind of looking like it wants to get taken out. Where are the shorts at? Where are the shorts at? Patrick, 4,000 people love watching you every day, and 10 of them are just trolls. I know. You're right. You're right. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. I'll be honest. Like, I might just be done for the day. I know it's only 10 o'clock. I could trade some more, but I've been going through it. I've been struggling lately. I just have not been on the right side of it. Like yesterday, I could not get it figured out. So I think today it's good just to get this little small green day and get it in there, you know?
Bring Ruben back.
You know, and again, like, it's about focusing on what worked. How did I get a $600,000 payout with Apex last year? How did I do that? Just those $1,000 days every day. You know, $1,000 every day. That's all I needed. I got a $600,000 payout, making $1,000 per account every day. You know, that's all I need to do. I don't need to make fucking $1 million every day. I just need to make $1,000. That's all. Make $1,000, walk away. $1,000, walk away. And then, like yesterday, I had a $12,000 trade on my live Tradeify account yesterday. So, I mean, 100% I can do it. 100% I can do it. I don't know if you can see it here, but this is yesterday. I put on one trade yesterday. I held it for 40 minutes, made $12,000. This is my, you can see, live Tradeify account. This is a live funded account. I got 2 of these bad boys. And honestly, I've been struggling with these accounts. I have, ever since Tradeify put me into these accounts, I have just been struggling. Mentally, it's been bad. I think people have noticed it. The live stream, I've just been very, like, depressed. Because it's like, hey, I want to make money, right? Like, that's the number one thing that I want to do. And when I don't make money, it gets depressing. But that's what I got to stop myself from, like, going into a deeper hole. You know? Got to stop myself. Focus on what works. What do we know works? Those 20 points, baby. Take 20 points. Take 20 points. Take 20 points. Do it 100 times. Guess what? That's profit right there. So, Shane S. Patrick, I made $50,000 this month. Let's go. Every time a new trader comes in, you start listening to them. No, I do not. What are you talking about? I do not. Not every time a trader comes in, I'd start listening to them. What are you talking about? Maybe I do. Maybe that's the problem. Self-introspection here, boys. We're self-introspecting together. Orb stuff. I mean, I've always traded the opening range break. I've always traded the opening range break. What are you talking about? I 100% have always traded the opening range break. Come on. Power hour today? Probably not. I have not been doing very good power hour, so I don't want to fuck with it. Another thing, another thing that's hard about the BDH too is, like, if I'm here at the BDH, I end up trading around like 12 o'clock or like 1 o'clock. Like, terrible ideas. That's what I do bad too. Never good. I'll go to lunch, I'll come back from lunch, and then I'll like sit down on the computer and I'll see the market moving, and I'll be like, oh, I'll take a trade, you know, one little trade. Just one little trade. Just take one little trade, right? It'll be okay. Just one trade. And then no, it's terrible. And then I ask myself, I'm like, why am I trading right now? You know, like why? Like why am I trading this? And because I FOMO into some stupid shit. And then I trade like a false breakout or something fucking stupid, you know? And it's like, what a terrible idea. There it goes. Nasdaq to the upside there. Woo! That was nice. I'll take a little 10 points there. I just did exactly what I said I didn't want to do, but I did it anyway. Took one. This is my last trade of the day, by the way. Last trade of the day. Right here, we broke above that. I saw those buyers just wanting to get above the high of this candle. We keep holding those EMAs. It could go higher, but I'll take it. Give me 10 points there. And we got $600 across the board in those 20 Apex accounts. So, I'm happy with that. Apex is 80% off right now. I don't know. It is what it is. But, hey, like I said, I talked to Brett Simba about it as well. If you look at my Tradeify, when I was trading with Tradeify, like, what was the real secret there? If you look at my consistency, I think I was just focusing on getting those 10, getting those 20 points, man. You know, 10, 20 points is all I needed when I was trading. Look at that. Still going higher. Hey, chat. Hey, I'm not trying to, like, rub it in right now, but everybody this morning that was talking about getting short, why? You know, like, ask yourself, why? Why were you doing that? What was the setup for the scalp? What do you mean, what was the setup? Breakout? Look at that. Come on now. We broke out of this little candle. Whenever, like, here's a little secret. Whenever you see, like, a little tiny candle, a little baby candle like this, and we get a little break, well, then you expect, like, hey, the high of these candles, they're going to kind of just, those stops are going to get ran, right? Stops are going to be above all these little candles. If you're shorting, stops are above the high of day, and that's exactly why we went straight up there. Those stops get ran. We were holding the EMA. This is also a 30-second chart, by the way. 30-second chart. So, I'm happy with that. I mean, look where we went, 145. That was pretty much our target this morning, right? Our target this morning was like above that high there at the 97s. And look, now she's jumping back down. And this is why you got to take those 10, 20 points sometimes. Get it in there, you know? So, now maybe she starts pulling back. I can't wait to see the shorts in the chat. They're going to be like, Patrick, I told you it was a short. I told you, Patrick. I told you to get short. I told you, Patrick. You fucking idiot. I fucking told you to get short. So this is my stats for my Tradeify accounts when I had those. Let's just do one account so that way it's not all of them. Easier to look at the stats here. When I had these Tradeify straight to funded accounts, we made $30,000. We had a 79% win-loss ratio. And look, I mean, it was literally just like every day, consistent, baby. January, February, getting those $1,000 winners, baby. $1,000 winners. That's all we needed. I think I was, January, February, basically, is all I traded this. So, I mean, I know that I can do it. But the problem is I am my own worst enemy, right? I am my own worst enemy when it comes down to it. I'm the reason that I fail. It's not my strategy. It's not my, anything. It's just comes down to me, right? If I don't follow the plan, then it don't matter. And that's all that's it right there. You want to make money? Fucking have a strategy. It doesn't matter what strategy it is, but you got to have something. And you got to stick to it. You got to believe in it. You got to want it. You got to need it. You got to become obsessed with it in the sense of like, hey, I am not taking a trade until I see my setup, right? And that's what I did with the straight to funded accounts. I wasn't looking for big profits every day. I was just looking for consistency. $30,000, one account, 30 days of green, and we did it. I took payouts as well. That was my net P&L. I took payouts out of that there as well. So, and then I got moved into the live funded account. And that's it. Bang. So, oh, buddy. One thing that I noticed yesterday, it's a really probably another thing to look at. Like, look at yesterday when we were chopping around there. Remember, this is where we got chopped up yesterday. Just this fucking fuck fest in this area here. Right? Look at this fuck fest. That was just a fuck fest. That's all that was. Absolute fuck fest. But what's funny is, look here, get rid of all the candles. And you can just see, like, looking at the EMAs, just how shitty. When the EMAs look like this, when they're just like going sideways, basically, you know it's a good time to not trade. Oh my God, market has dumped. Someone's tweeting from the 19,100 straight down here now. Oh my Lord. What is happening? Here come the short comments. Patrick, I told you. Look, it just dropped. Hey, it's fine. If it starts to go lower, that's fine. All we got to do now is just wait for a good setup. 15-minute chart. We still got that pivot point down there at the 975 support for now. But I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to walk away on the day right now. We're up 5,000 plus 3,000 plus 600 times 20. I'm not good at math. Hold on a second. 3,000 plus 5,000 plus 12,000. 623 times 20. 20,000 on the day. Oh my God. Where y'all? Where's everybody coming at me? Oh no. How are you gonna trade that? Just magically, someone just tweeted or something just happened in the market and we just pulled back straight down here? We did kind of, I guess we had kind of a little head and shoulders maybe on the 1 minute chart. Like small one. Kind of like a little head and shoulders there. With the neckline. Where are we at with the orb right now? Straight through the opening range now. Just straight through it. God, the FOMO is real. FOMO is absolutely real. Well, we did get a cross. The EMA's cross. The problem now is you got to get a push back up. EMA just crossed right there on that move down, so. What the fuck? Why does the market do this kind of shit? Why does it do this kind of shit? Right there at yesterday's close now. Right there at yesterday's close. Just bounced off that dotted line being yesterday's close. This is the world we're living in right now, man. All it takes is just one news headline, and we drop 200 points in a matter of minutes. So, is it time to get short? Oh, God. I mean, I don't know. You got to just, the problem is now you got to wait for this, like, this to play out. If we push back up, kind of build out a bear flag, maybe, like, test that 50 area would be ideal to push back up. But, I mean, hey, in honesty, we did hit that first target outside of that opening range. So anybody that traded the opening range breakout, you got your first target. And look at this thing right back up now. Now you get a fucking 100-point move right back up. Crazy. Does anybody know why it just dropped? Because ICT farted. The news was Europe and tariff news. Tariff news with Europe. All right, Nasdaq right back up there. That's 100 points. 100 points back up, baby. Oh my God. We bounced off that pivot point, we bounced off that close from yesterday. This is kind of either we're going to get stuck here, right? Or get stuck here and then we roll back down, or they're just going to V it back up. The idea of getting stuck here, rolling back down probably seems like a better, more possibility there. I'm about to be done, Jason. I'll just run over there. And so, there's your short off of that 40 area, but hard to get short right there. The volatility, baby. Market making the market moves. Making the market moves. Patrick, short now and hold for 500 points. Holy fuck. Did you say 500? That seems like a lot. Like the chat. Patrick, get short right now and hold for 500 points down. Okie dokie. Okie dokie pokey. Yeah, no, I'm not chancing it. I'm kidding. Come on, I would not listen to somebody random in the chat just telling me to get short. That's not what I do. I think I'll be done here soon, though. I'll be done here soon. Sitting there at the bottom of the range now. Or, yeah, but right there at the bottom of the range, that pivot point there at the 68s. That dotted line supported down there for now, 930 area. And just got to be patient. If you guys are looking for an opportunity to make some money, sometimes the best thing to do is just wait for the obvious move. Right now, it's just not obvious. It still could hold up here. We're still holding up there at the close from yesterday, so be careful, stay alive. This is a crazy market that we're living in. You never know. It takes one tweet, baby. One tweet, and the fucking market goes right to the poo-poo. Just one little tweet, and we go right to the poo-poo. All right. I would love to keep streaming, but I think I'm going to walk away in the green here. I don't want to FOMO into this move down. It's probably going to just start dumping through there, but I like the green. I like the green, man. Patrick, listen to me. Stop above 1022, 1 minute candle. Patrick, listen. I see what you're typing. I see. Listen to me, Patrick. Why do you not listen? I tell you exactly what to do, but you never listen to me. I mean, I'm not... Hey, the shorts are definitely looking like they're good here, but doesn't mean I want to play it. So, it's clearly dumping back down. The great thing is, hey, look at that. Just go ahead and look at it. What happened? What happened, chat? What happened? You got your EMA cross. Big move down. We push back up. Shorting into that 9 EMA. And look at the move down now. So, there it is. The VWAP's at the 986s. Right there at the Friday close, yesterday's close, so. The moves happen before they cross. Oh my God. I'm not even responding. I'm not even going to respond. All right, let's look at these EMAs before they cross. Watch. Watch. All right, look, EMA just crossed, right? There's your EMA. We're playing replay right now. The EMA crossed at 10:18, 10:20. They crossed. So what's the next play? You're looking to short into that fucking EMA right there. And it moved down. I don't fucking know. Yes, the EMAs are lagging. But at the same time, it just tells you, like, hey, look. This could be a real good short opportunity now that we've crossed those EMAs. $21 and 9 EMA. Yes, the cross is the direction. And then you're looking for like another setup. Right? There's your bear flag setup. From 995, it moves down there to the 930s. Look, now it's bouncing at yesterday's close. We knew that would be support. But did you trade it? Yes, I traded it. I did trade it. Thank you for asking. There you go. I took a short. 65s down there to the 52s. I traded it. I traded the cross. I made a little bit of money. There you go. Thanks for asking. Done. I'm out. I mean, this little bear flag right now trying to play out here again. All right, that's another little bear flag trying to play out there. So, the problem is, if you look, obviously that is a very key level. Yesterday's close, key level, acting as support right now. There you go. I'm going to lock it in and walk away here green. Let the haters fucking suck on that. Suck on my big old green P&L. There it is. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. Like I said, tomorrow morning we got a guest appearance. One of you guys coming to the BDH to live stream with us. So make sure you're here. And I'll see you guys later on. Peace to the Middle East.
stepping on shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. 30K on my riches for hard times. These niggas just mad cause they bitchin' my archives. Jordan came back to the 4-5. If you play then you lay right there by your archive. Hold up a 4 in a loco. Tell them run this bitch back like so-so. Got this rap shit here in the chokehold. Did a show out in Austin. Shout out to Bobo. Moved out the trenches, now look how we live. Tell my BM to furnish the crib. Walk out the mall with some shoes for the kids. Deposit the checks from my bank full of M's. Paid up my rent, now I'm up for the year. The view look crazy from here. What I pay for some dogs could've bought me veneers. Take a piece on my neck, could've bought your career. Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping on shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. Stuffing Cali, put weed in the blunt. Let my little brother roll in my Dutch. My little boy get whatever he want. Madam T don't be asking for much. Pouring lean on the nuggets and once. Spill the rest of that drink in a punch. Left wrist on some my head stunt. Right rich, I just did it because 600 the labor, you know how we coming. Tell them niggas they ain't taking nothing. Standing on business, we shooting the punches. Hating ass nigga, go get you some money. I just got off a tour, finna go on another one. Album done, finna drop me another one. Couple M's, finna win up another one. Super Bowl ring, shit, I had to go do. Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping on shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. Hey.